AI and future technology. Really interesting topic in which to speak or to learn how to speak and to describe these things, predictions and speculations about AI and future technology. Um, Imagine a world where cars drive themselves. AI writes all your letters and emails. Virtual reality affects the way you study and buy online and all sorts of things. Well, some of that is actually already happening, and so maybe it's not the future. However, do you find it exciting or scary? Well, today we're going to talk about the future confidently, using words like will, might, could, going to, and probably a few more. But first of all, as usual, we'll go into some vocabulary and put it in context of a sentence so you can see how to use the words that we're going to talk about related to AI and technology. Okay, let's have a go at the vocabulary. You ready? The first one, artificial intelligence or AI. I like AI. I think it's easier to say, but it's good to practice artificial intelligence. Try that, artificial intelligence. Can you say it? Or do you want to say AI? Well, AI might replace some jobs in the future, like English teaching. Hope not. AI might replace some jobs in the future. Automation. What is automation? It's when things are done automatically. Makes sense, doesn't it? Automation. Automation could make factories faster and safer. Possibly. They could make factories faster and safer. So that's another prediction, isn't it? First of all, we had might, then we have could. Robotics, everything to do with robots. I'm not a robot, not yet anyway. Robotics will change healthcare. So you see, we're using the word will here. So it's future of to be. Robotics will change healthcare. Now that's a bit more certain, isn't it? That's not so much as a maybe, as much as a will be. So robotics will change healthcare. Machine learning. Machine learning. Now that's a topic. If you want to study machine learning, that's a lifetime of study to do that. Machine learning. It's when machines learn. So machine learning can improve predictions in finance. Machine learning can improve predictions in finance. So can. Maybe that's not about the future. Maybe that's right now, can. But the word is machine learning. Self-driving cars. Does your car drive itself? I doubt it. I'm sure you have to turn the wheel and change gears or press the pedals. But self-driving cars might be common in 10 years. Might. Self-driving cars might be common in 10 years. That'll be nice. I hope they're cheaper than what they called green cars, electric cars, because electric cars are expensive, aren't they? Self-driving cars. Now, one that we've heard of for a long time is virtual reality, or VR. R. Sometimes people find it hard to say V. You got to put your teeth on your lower lip and vibrate V. Because if you just say B, that's a different letter of the alphabet, isn't it? B for bravo, B for beautiful. But V, you can hear it, you can feel it in your throat there, vibrating, V. Virtual reality, VR. Virtual reality could transform online education. I'm not sure how, but I guess we might find out. Virtual reality, VR. Now there's something similar that's not in the lesson, this is a bonus bit for you. Augmented reality. Augmented reality. That's where things are added to what is on the camera. For example, on some pages like Amazon or apps, you can visualize the purchase that you want to make, the item, on the table. So you point the phone at the table and it shows the table, but with the coffee maker or the toaster on the table, and you can move it around, and that's augmented reality. Virtual reality is a complete new world. Augmented reality, AR, is like in addition to reality, adding, augmenting reality. Anyway, it's not a tech class here, this is English. Number 7, smart homes. Smart homes. So, do you live in a smart home? Do you have a smart device or smart devices in your house? Well, smart homes will save electricity. Or save energy. Smart homes will save energy or electricity. So a smart home is one where you've got devices that can adjust things and monitor things either on its own, or you can control it with your mobile phone. So smart homes, and it says will, so that's future, and that's quite confident, a confident expression about the future. Now here's something that we all need and that sometimes is lacking: cybersecurity. Cybersecurity. Pardon me. So cybersecurity is protecting your data, your computers, your digital devices from attack. So cybersecurity will become more important as AI grows. That's the example phrase or sentence. Cybersecurity will become more important as AI grows. Cybersecurity. And it says here will, confidence. Next one, job displacement. Job displacement. Job displacement might happen in some sectors. So perhaps as people, or rather computers, doing the work that people used to do. Job displacement. It might happen. Ethical concerns. Ethical concerns will guide AI development. I doubt it. I think money will guide AI development, but who am I to say? Ethical concerns will guide AI development. So we've looked at words in these sentences, the vocabulary there, but also words like might, could, will, might, could, will, might, will. So what do these words mean in the context of a sentence like this? This is the grammar part now. Grammar. Will is when you make confident predictions about the future. AI will help doctors diagnose diseases faster, or AI will take over the world. So it's a confident prediction, usually based on solid evidence, and you can say it with confidence. AI will help doctors, etc. Now, might or could are things that are not definite. It's a possibility. So it's like a prediction or a possibility. Like robots might replace some delivery jobs. Virtual reality could change how we study online. So you see the difference between will and those two words, might or could. So will, definite or very likely, could or might, possible, 50-50. Now, be going to. Be going to. Now, I don't know if that actually appeared in the previous sentences we did, but be going to, plans or intentions based on current evidence. I have an example here. Tech companies are going to develop smarter AI assistants. Companies are going to. Everybody is going to have to use AI, probably, in some form or another. So that's plans or intentions based on current evidence. See where this is going. This is going to happen. Okay, got that? So will, might, could, be going to. And we can use certain words alongside those prediction, speculation words, like in the future, next year, in 2035, soon, probably, possibly, next year, next week. So there's lots of words and phrases we could add into those sentences when we say will or might or could or be going to. You got that? Good. So you can listen, I'll read the text. Look out for the vocabulary we've looked at and the grammar structure, the will, could, might, be going to, in this paragraph that I'm going to read. You ready? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is developing at an incredible pace. Within the next 10 years, AI will change many aspects of our daily lives. For example, self-driving cars might become common in cities, making commuting safer and faster. Robotics and automation could replace some jobs, especially in manufacturing and delivery. At the same time, AI will improve healthcare by helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. Virtual reality and machine learning are going to transform education, making learning more interactive and personalized. However, we must also consider ethical concerns. AI might make decisions that are difficult to control. So cybersecurity and responsible development will be essential. In short, the future of AI is exciting and full of possibilities. By using will, might, could, and be going to, you can confidently describe these predictions and speculate about what is coming next. So, self-driving cars might, robotics and automation could, AI will, virtual reality and machine learning are going to, ethical concerns, cybersecurity will be, essential. So there we go. We can talk about the future either with confidence or with speculation using these phrases and this grammar. So we're going to do a quick review and then a test to see what you think. Okay, quick review. So again, the target vocabulary AI or virtual AI or artificial intelligence, automation, robotics, machine learning, self-driving cars, virtual reality, and also we said augmented reality, VR and AR, smart homes, cybersecurity, job displacement, ethical concerns. So some new vocabulary for you. And the quiz then, you ready for this? 5 true or false questions. Let's see if you can get these right. Okay, is the sentence correctly written or is it wrong? Not whether it will not happen, but is the actual structure, the phrases, the grammar correct or true or false? AI might replace some jobs in the future. Is that correct? It's true. Okay, did you get a point there? Very good. AI will always make ethical decisions automatically. True or false? False. Smart homes will save energy. True or false? Is that correct or incorrect? True or false? It's true. Okay, good. Very good. True for that one. Robotics definitely might replace some factory jobs. True or false? Robotics definitely might replace some factory jobs. True or false? The answer, it's false. Robotics could replace, but not definitely could. Or definitely might, no. Because definitely isn't, is will, isn't it? Whereas possibilities are could. Virtual reality is going to transform education. Well, that sentence is true, but whether it actually happens or not, we'll have to find out. Okay, here's another one. Here's another little test. Spot the mistake and try to say it correctly. Cybersecurity might becomes more important. Now, what's the mistake there? What is it? Cybersecurity might becomes more important. So the phrase is might become. There's no S on becomes in that context. Might become. Cybersecurity might become more important. Next question, next sentence, spot the mistake. Virtual reality will possibly changing online learning. Virtual reality will possibly changing online learning. Is that correct? There's something wrong there, isn't there? The correct sentence is virtual reality will possibly change online learning. Will being definitely, and then adding possibly. Yeah, I think AI still needs to improve. It's more likely to be honest, virtual reality will probably change online learning. Okay, the next one, AI are going to improve healthcare. AI are going to improve healthcare. What do you think? Where's the mistake? Do you have it? Artificial intelligence are going to? No. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is going to improve healthcare. Because if it's are, it's not for singular, is it? They are, we are, you are, but it is. Okay, next one. Second to last, number 9, robotics might replaces some jobs. What's the mistake? Robotics might replaces some jobs. I hope you don't say that. Robotics might replace some jobs. So just be careful when you're saying words after might, because it's then replace. It might, but then we use the verb in its basic form. Okay, robotics might replace some jobs. Self-driving cars will be possibly common soon. Now all the words are correct, just not necessarily in the right order. Self-driving cars will be possibly common soon. Now the word will be, might be, or could be, because it's not a definite thing, is it? Self-driving cars might be common soon. So we get rid of the possibly as well. Self-driving cars might be common soon. Did you get them all right? Excellent, very good. So just then, we practiced talking about technology, artificial intelligence, predictions about the future, those that are more certain, those that are 50-50, and those that will probably happen based on current evidence. So will, could, might, and be going to. And then the vocabulary for the technology and the AI, and don't forget the AR, augmented reality. That was one we added in spontaneously. It just happened, which is good. So recently we did a 10 episode, 10 lesson series for B1 English. If you haven't seen that, do check it out on the channel. And soon we're going to be doing a B2 Business English series. So 10 more videos. And look out for some books and resources that you can use. There'll be some descriptions in the description, some links in the description of each video for tools and publications that can be really useful, and that'll be really good. So we'll look forward to that. Otherwise, keep practicing and keep progressing. That's the way to do it. And if you like the video, please put a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Give us some feedback and tell us of a field of study that you would like to learn more about. So this is it for today. All that's left to say is see you next time. This is Great British English.